Hi, I'm Richard Asselta, and I'm a defense attorney for students. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 tips in case you're faced with an academic integrity accusation. Many students call me up. They've just received an email or a letter, or their professor has confronted them and told them, I'm accusing you of some type of cheating or some type of integrity violation. And understandably, it's very upsetting. But there are a few things you should do. Number one, stay calm and think before you speak or write. What do I mean by that? Many times there's this tendency that students want to immediately respond or immediately come up with some explanation for what happened. And sometimes that's not the best because you could be misspeaking. You may not know all of the information that the professor has forming the basis of the allegation. So you really want to slow down and think before you just blurt something out. Second, you should review your school's handbook, specifically the academic integrity section. You want to understand the policies, the procedures. You want to know what your rights are. And here's an extra little tip. I think the most important part of that you should focus on is looking at what is the burden of proof, meaning what does the university need to prove in order to find me responsible for cheating? This is something that's overlooked many times by students. And finally, if you're in a scenario where you have to defend yourself, you want to really focus on the evidence that the school has. Many times students make the mistake of only pushing forward with sort of what their version of the story is, and you ignore what the university. You need to look at that because many times, in my experience, the evidence that the university is presenting against the student is not very strong or has flaws. So you want to focus on that evidence, or in some cases, maybe the lack of evidence. And you should be able to use these tips to help. If you find yourself in a situation like this, please give me a call, send me an email. I have helped countless numbers of students over the years, and I can help you as well. Thank you very much.